Hello there, my name is Daniel Robles, and today we'll be going over the diversity audits here. The diversity audits will be for Pioneer. The overview is what we will discuss today in the PowerPoint. First, we will evaluate the culture and explain why the culture of an organization is important um, and how it affects that organization. Next, we'll talk about adding diversity into the organization and adding diversity into management and the workforce, as well as creating a healthy environment and a healthy culture for the organization. Next, we will talk about restructuring the management so that integrating the new culture would go smoothly, so that it would be understood, and so that it will also be accepted as um, the organization's culture and be accepted as what is important and valuable to the organization. And then next we will talk about trainings and meetings and how they will help to integrate the new culture of promoting diversity in a healthy environment. Culture sets the foundation for an organization. It promotes what's important to an organization, such as its beliefs and values. Leaders set the example for employees to follow in order to promote and create a positive company culture. The culture develops an environment and working atmosphere that promotes what's important and valuable to the organization, such as diversity, such as equal employment opportunity, um, everything that helps the organization to be healthy. And diversity is one of those things. Adding diversity to this culture will help to embrace it and embrace the differences of one another and to build upon those differences as a team. Building upon our differences and our diversity and using those different ideas and viewpoints creates an advantage for an organization. When it comes to diversity, managing diversity is key to success, and adding diversity brings talent and ideas to the table, new ideas. So it would be very important for Pioneer Telephone to add diversity to its board of directors, since it is the foundation of the organization, as well as adding diversity to management so that management will also be able to have diversity in it and promote it within the organization as well as adding it to the workforce. So adding diversity within the entire organization is key for success. Management is key to integrating diversity into the organization, and in order to do that, we would have to restructure management. I would suggest restructuring management within the organization, since diversity has not been a part of the organization for many generations, and there are some practices that need to be changed in order to successfully integrate the new culture of diversity. Restructuring management helps to break old habits and traditions passed down from generation to generation, and adding diversity to management will help to restructure management within the organization. Then you're also able to manage diversity um, in a way that is successful within the organization. Training and meetings will help to integrate the new company culture. They will help employees to understand what is important to the organization. They will also help employees to embrace diversity when they see how important it is to the organization. In this PowerPoint, we've talked about evaluating the culture and adding diversity within the culture for a positive environment. We had also talked about adding diversity into the board of directors, adding diversity within the management and the workforce. The whole organization would need adversity added to it in order to promote diversity. Diversity cannot be promoted if there is not any diversity at all. So a restructure of management in order to get diversity within the organization and the hiring process is key to successfully completing this task. It is a large task. It is not impossible, but it will take a lot of work and a lot of restructure within the organization, since the organization has gone so long without it, and the procedures and that have been followed from previous generations did not do so. So this new culture would need to be integrated within the company from the top all the way to the bottom, and training and meetings would be key to doing this. It would be key to sharing the new culture and what is important and what is valuable to the organization throughout the employees and staff of Pioneer Talk. In conclusion, creating a healthy culture that accepts diversity enables the organization to be successful. It ensures a healthy work environment of peace and teamwork.